Oh. Jaylen just learned. Jaylen just learned how to ride a hoverboard. He won this little doodad from his candy sales at school. And today, his godbrother taught him how to ride it. So we're walking. Here we go. Yeah, he just learned how to ride it today, thanks to his godbrother. I tell you, I was on it a little bit earlier and I busted my butt. I busted my tail trying to ride this thing twice. So I think I'm done. I'm gonna leave this to the kiddies. But he learned today, so it looks like he's getting the hang of it. Still getting used to it, but he is getting the hang of it. I got some more footage of it beginning on my Marco Polo. But anyway, this is what we're doing right now.